Hi, today I will be sharing a super easy recipe. You have already read it in the title, of course, but this is something, it is a twist to the regular pumpkin dishes that you might have been trying so far. It's an Afghani recipe and it's called Kaddu Bourani, and it goes amazing with any kind of flatbread. So let's get started. So the first step to start this dish is to cut the pumpkin into thin slices because we'll be almost like shallow frying it. So you have to slice it really thinly and then chop some onion, make a nice base for the pumpkin, and then prepare the yogurt. So let's first chop our pumpkin. What we have done is we have taken around 300 grams of pumpkin that we have removed the peel off. We have taken medium-sized onion, finely chopped it, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic that we have minced or rather finely chopped, half or 1 red pepper, a Spanish pepper or a Turkish pepper is good, and we've taken 2 cloves of garlic and we've grated it. So I've taken a flat pan like this and adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or sunflower oil. You can always use some olive oil as well. So to this I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and we'll go ahead and add all this onion, garlic and chili. So I see this beautiful nice tinge that I can see in my onion. So it's time to add some salt. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and very little red chili powder, which is absolutely optional. We will mix this well and add our tomato puree, 70 grams of the tomato puree. You can of course use the concentrated tomato paste as well, that's also possible. I'm adding 120 milliliters of water. And now time to add our pumpkin. So the pumpkin has been sizzling away to this heat. I'm gonna now cover it. Lower the heat to a medium and let this cook for another 7 minutes. Let's prepare the yogurt mixture. So what you need to do is have some Greek yogurt or regular yogurt, doesn't matter. I would be using around 200 grams of yogurt, and to this yogurt we will be adding half a teaspoon of salt because we've added another half in the pumpkin mixture. We would be going ahead and adding our grated garlic. We would add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. A lot of people also add some curry powder to this, but I prefer not to do that, so I am not going to add it. Mix it really well. And to this I will add around 30 ml of water, because this is a really thick Greek yogurt that I'm using, so I want to just make a good mix of the yogurt and the spices. This tastes good. So I've taken around 2 grams of mint leaves. You can of course use dried mint leaves as well. It's just that I love the fresh aroma that fresh herbs can bring to a dish. That's why I'm using fresh mint leaves. So to plate this dish up, we've got our yogurt, which is where we will, that's the starting point. So we're gonna layer up some yogurt. And there you go. This beauty is ready to be served. You can eat this with any kind of flatbreads or even rice. I hope you liked this simple, easy recipe, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a like, a comment down below, share it with your friends, tell me how you like this recipe, just let me know about it. So I hope to see you all again for another recipe video really soon. Till then, keep spreading the goodness of spices in your life.